So, for my first video game, yes, this is not my first video game. There were some projects before this, but the old drive crashed and I do not have those projects. I don't understand why everything crashes. Anyways, so this was the latest game after that. Yes, I know it is pretty cool, and I was developing it somewhere around 1 year ago. And yes, it has been 1 year since I am developing games. This was my project. It was going to be very big, amazing, cool, or at least that's what I thought at that time. But I was just beginning and I was not ready to tackle such big projects. But, anyways, after that, this is my second project. Yes, I know it is not amazing and all, but it is good. At least that's what I thought before. There is one spaceship project that I will not be showing here because I am reviving it and it is going to go in another video. So get ready, guys, and don't forget to watch my other videos. And a sub to the channel would be fantastic. So, anyways, this is my second game. It's not a lot. I haven't actually made a lot of levels or anything for my games, but they are good. They're nice. So this game was basically going to be an online multiplayer where you could play with your friends, and it was just not so cool and not so amazing, so it got scrapped. Anyways, this is my next game. It is about glowing squares. So it is a speed platformer. I thought, why not make a speed running game, and I might actually really make this game back. I think I will make a section in my videos, a playlist called Reviving My Old Games, because now that I see to my games, they all look too cool and too amazing to not be revived. So yes, I will be probably make all videos live again. So this was the third game. Then after that, I started my very latest game, the Knights Arena. Yes. And I also had one very old game that was just a circle which could move around, because I was very excited as I had got a new laptop at that time. So that was all that was to it. I am not showing it here because it is just nothing, just a circle and some lighting effects and all. But anyways, that was that. So I even have deleted some more games so that my storage space doesn't run out. So these are not all the games that I have made. Actually, there are 20 or so, but I kind of deleted them. So anyways, that's all the games. After that, I have my very latest game, the Knights Arena, and the next game, this shooter untitled game, which I posted last time, and also this Asteroid Buster game, which I just made in 30 minutes, and also this. guys, that was it. Thank you. If you liked my videos, consider subscribing, hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to go to my itch.io page, follow me on, YouTube, subscribe, like, share, and that's it. Thank you.